Welcome to Community Spotlight. I'm your host, Leah Haslage, and today's Spotlight is on the Greater Cleveland Community Credit Union, and our guest is Gloria McClendon, who is the CEO of the credit union. Welcome, Gloria, to TV20 and Community Spotlight.
Thank you so much. The credit union that I currently work for is Greater Cleveland Community Credit Union, which is formerly Civil Service Employees Association Credit Union. It's been in existence for, this is the 81st year. Yeah. They were founded in November 1937 by about 25 civil service employees. They put the credit union together in order to form a coalition to help all of the city workers with their lending needs. And so that's how the credit union was founded. So our credit union actually been in existence for 81 years.
That's
and
wonderful.
That is, yes.
Was it that they found a need with the employees that they weren't getting outside?
Yes, they wasn't getting the lending, housing, just regular loans for, getting furniture or whatever they needed. And so the credit union joined together, the employees of the city of Cleveland joined together and formed a credit union. And it's been helping people ever since.
That's so great.
Yes.
So now who's eligible? Is it just city employees?
It used to be only people who were eligible was the city of Cleveland employees. You had to work for the city, whether it was here or some of the outlets like the water department and places like that. They were eligible for membership, meaning they only had one SAID group. Now the credit union is open to the community. We changed the charter, changed the name to Greater Cleveland so that we can help everybody and not just the city of Cleveland workers.
So any of our viewers can come to the credit union now?
Any of our viewers who live, work, or worship in Cuyahoga County is eligible for membership.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So now what are some of the products and services that you offer?
We offer savings, checking, loans, mortgages. We are a credit union is just like a bank. The only difference is that the credit union is owned by the membership, meaning us. Banks are owned by shareholders. So because the credit union is owned by the membership, we're able to offer better services, better products, better interest rates. And so we offer an array of loans, savings, checking, CDs, everything the bank offers, we offer. I think it's been a misconception about credit unions historically because most people didn't know what a credit union was and that they was eligible. Way back when credit unions were started, you had to be in a SAID group, which the city of Cleveland was the only SAID group that Civil Service Employees Association Credit Union had. Now we're open, and that's really most credit unions are open to the community. So we felt like everybody needed to take advantage of the low rates, the good products and services that the credit union offers over the bank.
Right. So, okay, so you say over the bank. What is the difference then between that the services are over the bank? Like, what's the difference in that?
The banks usually look at people who has perfect credit, like maybe 700-800 credit scores. Credit unions help the ones that the bank won't help. So if your credit score is 500 and maybe up to 650, the banks usually kind of shy away from those people, those borrowers, but the credit union's motto is people helping people. So we want those people to come to the credit union to see if maybe we can help them with their financial needs. And I know most people know that, if you had issues with a checking account, most banks wouldn't take you, right, because they check systems and things like that. So those people are not eligible to be part of the bank. But you come to the credit union and you can anybody can open up a savings. We don't care about check systems. So anybody can have an account at the credit union.
And why should someone have an account at the credit union?
Because of course we're going to do everything we want you to do. Okay, we're going to help you with your financial needs. You can get your mortgages through the credit union. If you had any issues with anything financial, the credit union can help you. Okay, we do credit counseling. We just have an array of products and services that meet the needs of our membership. So that's why I'm here, because we want everybody to know what the credit union offer, and even if it wasn't our credit union, I'm just an advocate for credit unions, period. Everybody should look to see if they're eligible to join a credit union, because we really can help people who may be less fortunate than others. And so that's our basis.
To help those that can't technically help themselves at that moment.
Correct.
Yeah.
Or had an issue and now they've rectified it and won't nobody give them a chance.
Like people with bankruptcies and
Right.
stuff like that.
Right. So most of the time, those people that come to the credit union after they've had issues, we can generally help them get themselves back on track. Okay.
Now, with the Greater Cleveland Community Credit Union, do you partner with other agencies and companies, organizations?
We do. We partner with one of our very big partners is ICU Mortgage. Mortgages that we can't do, that's a little bit more than what the credit union can handle, we pool to them. And they're a credit union too. Actually, they're part of Wright-Patterson Credit Union, which is a $1 billion credit union in Dayton, Ohio. So any mortgages that we can't do, we will partner with them to make sure that our members get that mortgage. So we partner with them. We basically do a lot with the city of Cleveland because, of course, it was founded through the city of Cleveland. And so we do little lunch and learns where we'll go to a part of the city of Cleveland, like the water department or somewhere like that. And the employees are able to come to a lunch and learn where we actually give them information about the credit union. Recently, we did one on credit counseling. And we went and gave them all the information that they need to try to build their credit. And so we partner with the city of Cleveland with a lot of stuff, needless to say, because they're our base. And we will always be there for the city of Cleveland workers. So, and we do that consistently every year.
Now, you mentioned the lunch and learns. What else do you offer for your current members?
We have like member appreciation day. And that's where we have food and let the members come and we give them little, trinkets like, T-shirts and things like that, and let them know that we appreciate their service to the credit union and their loyalty. So we do offer, different things to outside of the credit union to give members more information and let them know how much we appreciate them being part of the credit union.
Now, something I noticed on your website is you have volunteer opportunities.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
So anybody who wants to volunteer, please come. Please ask us, because we do a lot of things. And like when we have our appreciation days, we need volunteers to come and work those appreciation days because we do what we call open enrollment, and we let the members join wherever we are, and we ask members to be volunteers to come and help us with that. You can also volunteer to be on our board. We have a board of directors. And so, you can, lobby to the credit union to be part of the board, which would be, you would be, help us come up with different new products and services. And so we're always looking for volunteers.
And they don't necessarily have to already be a member.
They do have to be, don't necessarily have to be a member, but as long as
it's
they
encouraged.
live, work, or worship in Cuyahoga County, they're eligible. So they would be eligible to join, and of course they would have to be a member in order to be on the board. But they can join at that time.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Now, how many locations do you have?
Currently, our main office is in City Hall, which we will always be there because that's where it was founded for the city workers. But we have what we call shared branching. We have 5,600 locations all over the United States. So if you're in California, you need to get money out of your account, all you have to do is go on our website, go to our locator, credit share branching locator, put in your zip code, and it'll tell you what credit union is nearest you. So most credit unions collaborate together to help all of the membership all over the world. So anywhere you are, you don't necessarily have to come down to City Hall, which we want to see you there. But if you don't come to City Hall, you can go to one of our share branches. We share branch with Police Credit Union, Tulares, Ohio's First. So all of the local credit unions, we're basically
your team
together. Yes, we are a team.
Very
yes.
cool.
Yes.
So how can we get more information on the Greater Cleveland Community Credit Union?
Okay, you could either follow us on Facebook, because we are on Facebook. You can go on our website and you can get whatever information you need from there. And you can come and see us in the office. That's what we really want. We want to see your face because we're like a little family. We really enjoy our job and we really enjoy helping the community. And credit union's motto is people helping people. So, or you can call us. You can reach us at 216-664-2217, or you can reach me personally at 216-664-2142.
Anything else that you think the viewers should know about the credit union?
Just know that the credit union, a lot of people is under the assumption that a credit union, you have to be part of a SAID group, because that's how it used to be historically. Now, it is not like that anymore. Now, if you live, work, worship, or attend any type of school in Cuyahoga County. So in other words, I live in Twinsburg, I would be eligible for membership at the credit union because I work downtown. Okay. So that is a misconception that people have out there about a credit union, is that you have to be part of a group. And it did used to be like that, but I need all the viewers and everybody to know that we're here to help everybody now.
Well, thank you so much, Gloria. We learned so much today about the Greater Cleveland Community Credit Union, and we'll have information also on our blog, tv20cleveland.com, so people can find the website and more information. So thank you again, and thank you for watching Community Spotlight. I'm Leah Haslage. See you next time.
Thank you.